Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll sign into your Samsung account and confirm connectivity first. This unlocks cloud options. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi is active and the phone is charging so the initial full backup won't stall. Open Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, then Samsung Cloud. This starts the backup flow. Tap Backup Data to view categories like Contacts, Gallery, and Settings. You're now ready to choose what to include and to trigger the first manual backup immediately. Now you select exactly what to store so backups stay efficient. Tap each category, Contacts, Gallery, Messages, and App Data, and enable the toggles for items you want backed up. Once done, decide if auto backup fits your routine. Enabling it saves changes automatically, while manual gives control over data usage. Check available Samsung Cloud storage and remove duplicate photos or old files to avoid hitting limits. Make sure large finish by tapping Backup Now and watch the progress until you get a confirmation. This ensures data landed in the cloud. Once complete, verify restore points under Samsung Cloud, and if you want extra confidence, restore a small item like a contact to test the process. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone first, then re-authenticate your Samsung account and retry on a strong Wi-Fi network. These steps resolve most sync errors. Keep an eye on storage limits and clear space if backups repeatedly fail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.